Hello folks, welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota, located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Today I'm going to be showing you this 2014 Kia Sportage SX. Now the most notable features on this SX is its backup camera. You'll also have your heated front seats and your satellite radio. Now I'm going to go through a couple more features on the inside and outside of the vehicle just to get you better familiar with this 2014 Kia Sportage SX. Let's get started. Now, a couple of the exterior features that you will see on this SX is its daytime running lights. You also have your fog lamps, and then if we take a look just over on the side here, you are going to see your 18-inch aluminum alloy wheels. Up top on your mirrors, you have your integrated signal lamps as well as your foldable mirrors. And up top, you'll see your roof rack, and the color we're going to be taking a look at today is silver. Now to start off with, we're going to be taking a look at your front dash as well as your front seats, just so you have a much better idea of how much space there is. You have your black leather, cloth interior seat surfaces. And if we take a look down below, you're going to see your power driver's seat with lumbar support. And then on the side here, you have your rear parking sensors as well as your eco. And then you have your traction control on and off. On the inside of your driver's side door, you have your mirror controls with your power locks, window controls, both your front and rear windows. Now, a couple of the controls you'll see here on the steering wheel include your volume control, scroll function, mode select, your mute function, Bluetooth with your voice recognition, as well as your cruise control settings. Now, you do have that push button start, so all you have to do is put your foot on the brake, hit the push button, and it will start up for you automatically. Now, I'm just going to close in on the exact kilometers just so you can see what's currently sitting at. The other nice thing is you do have an exterior temperature gauge there. And then you also have your power folding mirrors as well. So in the event that you need to park in a much tighter parking spot, then you're able to fold in your mirrors for yourself. Now, taking a look at the center dash as well as the touch panel display, you're going to see a couple of different options. So as you can see, you have your AM/FM as well as your satellite radio with your CD player. And then if we head into the setup menu, you'll see your main, voice, display, and systems. And then if we take a look down below here, you have your hazard lights as well as your dual zone climate control settings. Underneath, you'll find your 2 power outlets with your USB and auxiliary. Matted to a automatic transmission, you'll also see your all-wheel drive lock along with your heated seat controls for your driver and passenger with 3 different settings depending on how hot you would like it. Up top, you'll see your auto-dimming rear view mirror. And you'll also find your sunglass case holder as well. And then just to give you a quick idea of what your backup camera is going to look like, I'm just going to throw it into reverse here for you. As you can see, you have those nice guiding lines there, making things much easier for when you pack into a stall. Finally, we'll be taking a look at your rear cargo area as well as your tailgate. Now located just on your rear bumper, you're going to see your parking sensors just located right across. And then if you take a look on your left-hand side, you are going to see your backup camera, and your rear hatch release will be located just underneath your tailgate there. Now, I'm just going to close in on the rear cargo space just so you have a much better idea of how much room there is. Now, if you do need the additional space, you can actually fold down that 60/40 split rear seat just by pulling on one of the 2 tabs that you see on either side there. And if we take a look underneath the floor, you're going to find your spare tires as well as your jack and your tool kit. And then you also have some under the floor storage space as well. So if you do find yourself in a bit of a pinch, you know exactly where it's located. Thank you so much, folks, for watching this video today. If you have any questions on this 2014 Kia Sportage SX, please visit us. We're located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. The phone number is 780-410-2455, or please visit our website at sptoyota.com to get us by email. Once again, folks, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have any comments or any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section located down below. Other than that, make sure you have a great day, and I hope to see you next time.